Hello, friends. Good day to all of you, and welcome to this very important training program on quality customer service experience. It's a very important program which we are launching, and the team has done a wonderful job of creating and putting together a very strong video and a full script which we all needs to practice and deliver to our customer so that our customer gets a uniform and quality experience at all our stations. Means every customer coming to our facility all across 600 plus petrol station service stations, each and every employee talks the same language, same script, and propose all our products in the same manner. So that's the ambition of this program. Customer is very important. You know why? Because it's a customer who is paying our salaries, not the management, not the company. It's a customer. If customer is happy, he comes back to us repeatedly and then brings more business to all of us. More business means more money and more it helps company grow and all of us grow along with the organization. So therefore always remember whenever you are interacting with customer that he is our boss because he is paying our salary. So always keep in mind and deliver the best customer service experience to all our customers. And this program is not just like creation of a guide or creation of this training program. This will not end here. We will include all our activities, whether it is mystery shopping by marketing, whether it is our award recognition, staff assessment in future, all whether it is assessments done by a process specialist, everything will revolve around this customer experience quality standards. So this is a new era, beginning of a new era in Petromin 2.0, and hence I encourage each one of you because you are the face of Petromin. You are interacting with hundreds of thousands of customers day in day out. It is your attitude, your interaction with the customer that is Petromin for the customer, nothing else. So they are not interacting with Petromin management directly. So you are the face. So your action, you are the champion, you are the heroes who are delivering Petromin experience to our customers. So I encourage each one of you to enjoy this training program, understand every bit of it because this is going to be our new standards as the way forward. All the best, enjoy and look forward to meet each one of you in person. Thank you very much.
Hello. What is the most important element in our total business cycle? The customer. Knowing this significance, our business excellence team has taken up a project to refresh and elevate our station staff skill set and expertise to deliver an enhanced customer experience. We are targeting what we call speaking the common language. An excellent series has been designed by our business excellence team. The super part is that all content is prepared in-house. However, what we are gauging and benchmarking ourselves is against those best in class. So happy learning, enjoy the program. We look forward to hear your exceptional execution from our customers when they visit the Petromin Express 2.0. Thank you.
Good day, sir. Welcome to Petromin Express. How can I help you?
I just want to do the oil change for my car.
Sir, I will explain to you the importance and benefits of the services. Our power and still includes service, sir. It helps remove wear, metals, debris, and contaminant, help in restoring steering performance, secure, quiet, and smooth handling, and also it helps reduce potential costly repairs. For engine plus service, sir, it removes rust, varnish, and debris from the engine. It reduces engine friction and reduce heat, increase fuel economy and engine life, and also reduce exhaust emission. For automatic transmission service benefits, sir, it helps in maintaining viscosity in different working temperatures. It helps remove sludge and wear and tear particles. It prevents leaky seals and putrid odors. Excellent oxidation resistance resulting in cleaner transmission. For coolant plus service, it removes sludge, scaling, and corrosion. It lubricates and protects water pump. Can be used also on radiators with plastic and aluminum components. For the fuel injection service, sir, it improves the fuel mileage and reduces emissions and contributes to all performance of your vehicles. The pag sanitizing service, it kills bacteria and mold and fungi, it reduces spread of influenza, it improves air quality, it removes bad smell and odor, it removes build-up bacteria colony, improve air condition efficiency, and safe, non-toxic, and environmental friendly. The benefits of EcoWash service is 100% eco-friendly, removes bacteria, germs, and viruses, strict pre-window cleaning, blast away dust and sandstorm marks, and no use of harsh chemicals and abrasive. Sir, this is your invoice.
Okay.
This is the service we perform on your car. All synthetic service. This is the price. This is the oil filter we replace in the engine. This is the total price, and this is your tax.
Okay.
Upon checking your car, sir, we found that your battery is still good.
Okay.
Your wiper is good.
Okay.
AC filter and cabin filter is still good. So for your recommendation, for your next visit at PE station,
Okay.
you have to do the fuel injector service, automatic transmission service,
Okay.
power steering oil service. In Petronet Express, sir, we have 48 hours warranty. Just in any case that you have any concern on your car, you have to return to the PA Express. And for your next service, sir, you need to change the AC filter and air filter. The benefits of cabin filters: it helps remove dust, soot, and airborne pollen, helps remove microscopic particles and foul odors, reduces allergy and related problems, and also to improve your vehicle's heating air conditioning performance. The benefits of air filter: better fuel efficiency, reduced emission, and prolongs engine life. Thank you for choosing Petronet Express. It's our pleasure to serve you again.